Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we will configure dynamic routing OSPF. Let's make the topology first. We'll add 3 router and then maybe one switch here, 1 2, and in here. Let's link it. Now if this pair, the first click the router, turn off, and then add this model to it, and then turn on it again, and then it will make a new port for the router. Now so in here, here will be 10, and here will be no. So the client will be in the different network, and for the router, now let's config. First, turn on the interface and add an IP address. This is the left side router interface. Such one, no shutdown, IP address 10.10.10.1, because we use prefix 30, so it is 252. Exit. Interface system 0/0, no shutdown. Move to the mid router. No. Enable configure terminal. Preface. No shutdown. Add an IP address 10.10.10.2. 255.255.255.252. Move to the interface 0/0, no shutdown, and then get IP address. And for last interface, sorry, it's wrong. This is not a 0.0, 10.0, but 20. No, 20.1. Okay, and then move to the last router. No, press no shutdown. IP address 2. Ship last interface. No, okay, and in switch, because there is 2, so we have to make VLAN. VLAN tutorial I have made it in the last video. 10, 10, 6, switchboard mode access, exit, 20, 20, interface, switchboard mode access, switchboard access from 20. And then the interface that into the network device, switchboard mother trunk. Okay, so we have basic configuration. Eh, don't forget to add IP in the end device. Okay, because we use a VLAN, so we have to make sub interface in here. Interface encapsulation on Q10, this, exit. First, let's try ping from client each client to his router. Make sure it's successful. Now let's move to the OSPF config. So OSPF is dynamic routing protocol. This protocol is open vendor, so you can use it between maybe MikroTik, Cisco, and Juniper. It's able. Let's config. First is router OSPF 10. The 10 is ID of OSPF. Nah, and then add all of the network that router has. In the left side router, he has network 10.10.10.0 and then 192.168.20 and then in here point 10. So network 10.10.10.10 and the wildcard mask point 3 and then you have at an area in OSPF use area. Now we will use backbone area now. And then add for the other network. Last network. Now move to the mid router. Root OSPF 10. Make sure the OSPF number is same. And then network 10.10.10.0 double card mask. And then area no. Nah, wait. Now the router will send the hello packet to his neighbor. That is how the OSPF work. Now, if this message you see, it means that this router and this router they are neighbor now. Now let's add for the network of this client. Exit. Eh, we forgot one. This network. network 2020.20.0.0.3 area 0. And to the last router, route OSPF 10 network 2020.20.0.0.0.3 area 0. Wait, network. Nah, now if you have configured all of it, if you want to verification, do show run. This what this is. Strike line as OSPF. Now in this router there is three network. Now let's see. Do show IP route. There is a route in here, here, and here. Now let's try ping. Successful. And this successful, successful, and successful. So they can ping to each other. So in the OSPF, make sure you use backbone area or area 0, and then use the same number of OSPF number, and then add all of the network to the routing protocol routing protocol OSPF. So if you not add, example, in mid router he has 3 network. If you not add network 2020 to OSPF routing table, so this router will not advertise to the his neighbor that link to him that he has a network of 2020. So make sure you add all of the network that the router has, so the router will advertise to all of his neighbor. Maybe that's all for configuration OSPF. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.